My hands, got a nice jacket on, and no rest of me is not cold, just my hands, which I didn't really think of bringing a decent pair of gloves with me. Didn't expect it to be this cold there, Norm, but had a great supper there at Kring Point, and about a dozen hams here surrounding the area right now at the campsite, and we're having a good time. Over.
Okay, well, just to let you know, you're coming from Etobicoke, suburb of Toronto, and nice to go in here. You may want to keep one of your hands on the warm radios and stuff like that, just to keep warm. We'll let you get back and pick up the other guys that are in line there. Good evening to all.
Roger, Norm. Thanks for coming in tonight. Lots of rain here today, but around 5 o'clock the sun came out, and we decided to run the antennas and set up the station outside. We almost put it inside of a vehicle, and then I said, no, we can't have it said that you know, we had to wimp out. So I'll try not to freeze to death, but if I do, I'm sure one of the other guys will take over anyway. So we'll be all set to get the net done. Thanks, Norm. Have a good one there. And with that, we'll pass it back to Margaret, VA1 KA1BZE. How's it going?
Doing good. You're sounding good. Signal's nice and solid. A good 10 over. And Norm is a good 9 S9 and 10 UB. So everything sounds great. We wouldn't want you to freeze to death, but I'm sure you guys will all survive, hopefully. Yeah, it's our first school weekend, kind of. Start to get into the fall. And I did hear on the ham bands today that toward the west of Canada they got some of that white stuff. I guess there was one spot got 3 days straight of it, and wasn't a welcome companion, but I guess it's now gone. And just had a quiet day. Just laid low, did some domestics, and played a little radio, caught up on some reading type stuff, and that's about it. K1B3, back up.
Okay, very good, Margaret. Well, you're sounding great over at Kring Point State Park this evening as well, so thanks for coming in. You have a good one. Glad to hear that your surgery went well and everything's going good there. So take her easy, have a good one. And before we pick up Alan, we'll see any other check-ins. 3730 group, starting a little early tonight. VA3 RDC, Portable Whiskey 2 at Kring Point, New York. Come now. Okay, V3 XDJ, got you, Dick. Anybody else? Okay, stand by for a second. We'll bring Alan back in. V3 Bravo Whiskey Quebec. What's happening, Alan? Yeah, go ahead, Alan.
He's up now anyway, so it must be working. Anyway, we didn't do a great deal. The weather was inclement, and we just played in the house here. Go ahead.
Okay, very good, Alan. Well, hey, that's a smart move, and yeah, it'd be nice to be in a nice warm house right now. Boy, the wind outside. I gotta say it's probably, with the wind out here, I'd say we'd probably 7-8 degrees here at the moment.
Roger on that. That's about 8 here. 8 Celsius here, so it's getting colder again. Other than that, not much going on here, Daryl, so we'll turn it back to you and you see what Dick has to say.
Roger, Alan. Well, thanks for coming in. You have a good night. We decided to start a little early since we were all set up and raring to go, and you guys were in anyway, so why prolong, why make you guys wait? And with that, we'll swing it over to Dick, V3 XDJ. How's it going, Dick?
Not bad at all, Daryl, but you know, I'm going to have a tough time trying to teach a newbie new tricks. It's not a lake, it's a river.
Hey, there you go. Yeah, Dave already corrected me a few times on that, but he went inside the trailer. He wimped out. He went inside the trailer to warm up, so you know, there's 3-4 people inside the, actually about, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, probably 10, 12 people inside the trailer looking out the window at me right now, freezing out here, so, but they don't seem to mind me being out here, over.
Well, I mean, after all, if you call the St. Lawrence River a lake, you deserve to be out in the cold.
It deserves to be in the bottom of the river.
Oh, gee, now Mike's saying I should be in the bottom of the river there. There you go. So Mike and Steve, AVP, are out here braving the elements with me as well. So there you go, Dick.
Yeah, you're right, Dale. It's always great to hear you. And you and the gang there, have yourself a great evening. And we'll be listening along for a little while. CXCJ.
All right, Dick, take her easy. This is Victor Alpha 3, Romeo Delta Charlie, Portable Kilo 2, Net Control Station, 3730 Group, Kring Point, New York. Anybody else around? Any other stations for 3730 Group tonight? Victor Alpha 3, Romeo Delta Charlie. This is VA3 RDC, Net Control, 3730 Group, Portable Kilo 2. Anybody else around this evening? Please call now. This is Victor Alpha 3, Romeo Delta Charlie, Net Control, 3730 Group, Portable VE2, Kilo 2. Anybody else around? Please call now. So far so good on the voltage. Alright, we'll take a run through the list again. VE3, Mike, Uniform Mike, Norm, anything else to add this evening?
Nothing right now. You just caught me as I was trying to light up my pipe here, so trying to drop it to keep back and come back to you. Nothing to report from the Toronto area. No traffic, and you get a nice signal coming here. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger, you got a 5.9 plus 5 there coming here as well. So that's what the 857's reading here. So I'm going to say you're probably 15 over when you got an S9 plus, probably 15 to 20 over at least there. So the antenna's up about 45 feet in the air. So we're doing all right at the station here, Norm. So go ahead and light your pipe, and we'll see. Any other check-ins at 3730 Group? Portable Kilo 2. I stretched it a bit. Can't say 20 feet off the ground with Mike around. Fuck you and. You can edit this, right?
Whatever you want. It's not going over
I
here.
can smell the
It's just going on
buckles
YouTube.
already now. CJ.
Sorry, say again, Dick.
I say I can smell the welcome soprani now. EC X-ray Delta Juliet.
Yeah, there you go, Dick. Okay, very good. And yeah, we tried to get Ron and Ann to come back, but they went to the hotel, so I think they might have been the smart ones thinking about this, or?
Well, you know, some Canadians do have a little bit of intelligence.
There you go, Dick. All right. Well, you're certainly sounding good, but I guess as a direct line, we'd be pretty clear line of sight between us and you right now, eh?
Oh yeah, I'm sure it's ground wave for sure. Yeah, we're only about maybe 5 miles apart.
Yeah, I guess from where we had the supper at Dolores' place, and Ron RSB was saying, yeah, when it gets dark, you can see the lights of the Lansdowne repeater there from the bay they're in. Over.
Yeah, that is for sure. Yeah, we're when you figure you're maybe 5-6 miles east of the bridge, and the repeater is almost due north of the Canadian side of the South Island Bridge. But line of sight, yeah, you're only about 5-6 miles apart.
We found the gloves. She stole the next gloves.
Roger, Dick, and somebody just came up with a pair of gloves for me, so I don't think I'll freeze to death.
Pink gloves.
Even though they're a little bit pink, but Annette, Mike's wife, came up with a pair of pink gloves, so hey, it's either freeze to death or wear gloves. I think I'll have to wear them tonight.
Well, you know, pink is just in favor of the Cancer Society, so I'm proud of you.
Right on, there you go. All right, Dick, you take her easy. Any other check-ins? 3730 Group, special event, VA3 RDC, Portable Kilo 2 at Kring Point, New York. Anybody else around?
They're not pink, they're salmon. Salmon's a tough fish.
Okay.
The inside of a salmon.
All right, we'll pass it back over to Margaret. Anything else to add, Margaret?
Let's see a couple things. Number one, let's go this way. Number one, regarding the
Boston.
I guess he's probably still taking the folks to and back from dinner. So that's about it, Daryl. I'm going to hang around. And Dick's got a great signal too, so I will hang around and say hello to all, and hopefully some of the folks that Hampton the trailer might be able to sign in.
Okay, well, like I said, we got VE3 AVP. I'll let Steve say hello to you quickly, and I'll let Mike say hello. They're the ones braving the elements with me here right now, so I'll pass you over to Steve.
Hey, it's VE3 AVP.
I'm not giving up my gloves.
We're sitting out here enjoying the brisk air. There's a nice breeze coming off the St. Lawrence here. I got a camera out. We were taking some photos of the sunset earlier and some stars, and listening to the wonderful sounds of the solar storm hitting. The radio was making the oddest noises earlier, but kind of put our heads together and figured out it's all this solar eruption or whatever's going on out there that's hitting us today. So yeah, interesting times, and we're having fun out here, if not a bit chilly, and yeah, we'll get everybody out of this trailer sooner or later and get them on the air. VE3 AVP, back to net control.
Jesus, later. Okay.
Did you see the Northern Lights last night?
Nope. Yeah, we did see a few of them.
Yeah, there was a bit out last night where I was actually east of Ottawa in Maxville at the time. I could just barely make out that there was some light in the sky, but it wasn't too spectacular. But around here, I think it was a little bit better. Back to you.
Yeah, they said it was fairly spectacular in northern Maine and northern New Hampshire, and unfortunately, I wasn't up there this time. I was up there last weekend, so oh well, I missed it by weekend.
Yeah, Jerry, KC1UT, was saying that he saw a little bit of it here last night, but they were pretty weak up in this area this time. So I was talking to him a little while ago about it. So there you go, Margaret, and I'll pass you over to Mike and let him say hello.
K1 BZE, Victor Alpha 3, Mike Papa Mike there at Kilo 2 Papa. How are things, Margaret?
Oh, things are doing well, survived my dental surgery yesterday, so I'm just kind of laying low today and all that kind of stuff yesterday, so I was asleep by net time last night, so I didn't run the net, but I did call in the case procedure for VE3KY, and didn't hear him, so if he arrives before net ends, I'll try to cross-stand him in.
Okay, right on. Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun there, Margaret. Okay, take care, and I'll send you back to net control over to the VA3 RDC from Victor Alpha 3 Mike Papa Mike at Kilo 2 Papa site.
Okay, all right, VA3 RDC portable Kilo 2 back at the controls here, and we'll look for more check-ins. Anybody else around this evening, please call now. Everybody's here. Right? Everybody's here. Dave, you don't get a chance. Dave, get out here. Tell him to get out here. This is Victor Alpha 3, Romeo Delta Charlie, net control, 3730 group, portable Kilo 2, Kring Point, New York. And you'll get together for the 3730 group, 1871 group, and the 7272 group as well. So any other check-ins, please call now. And K1BZE, Margaret, you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we got Dave here, KV2, KVE. I'll let him pass the mic over to him, and I'll let you have a chat with him, and maybe you could let him know exactly where you are again.
Hey, good evening, Margaret. It's Dave, King Baker 3 Echo Fox Sierra, and I'm only general class, so I'm a guest operator here at K2P / whatever call sign Daryl's running with. I guess he's VA3 RDC, portable W2, and I'm good on QRZ for my location. Understand you're in the Boston area, KB3 EFS guest op.
Okay, I missed half of that, the end of that, it broke up, I'm not sure why, but I'm about 25 miles east of Providence, Rhode Island.
Okay.
And about 42 miles west of Cayenne.
No, it should be good, but I think SWR is going a little high. Okay, Margaret, no problem there. You got that. He's standing right beside me, so you gave me the microphone back to me. VA3 RDC.
Your battery might be dying.
Yeah, so we'll get the start started. Okay, stand by for a second. We'll get the car fired up here, Margaret. Just checking things out for a second. I'll be right back. VA3 RDC.
If that's too loud, we can kind of close the hood on this.
K1 VG, any additional takers? 3730 group. On out.
VG3 X-ray, Delta Juliet.
Okay, Dick, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, Margaret. I heard you say good evening to me earlier there, and I just wanted to make sure that favor.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he knows that.
Yeah, that's fine.
And hopefully the surgery went well, and hopefully the remainder of your weekend goes well.
Oh yeah, I'm hoping the remainder of my weekend will go well. I think it will. I'm hoping it'll get a little warmer so I can go in my pool one last time or so, but I don't know when that's going to happen, but I'll be outside in the sunshine for sure though.
Very good, Margaret. Always great to hear you. 7-3, CXTJ.
Okay, Dick, great signal and always great to hear you too.
Okay, and I'm back there, Margaret. We got lots of voltage again now, so we should be doing okay.
Dick, are you hearing all of what Joe said?
No, he's breaking up.
Okay, we get the first half of every word. The first half of every word.
Okay, stand by. VA3 RDC. So you're only getting half of my words.
Is that a D? He's not saying D, must be a rock.
Yeah.
That's still good, really well.
That's fine. Like, that's good.
Yeah. It was spiking a little bit.
Still should repeat the last half of the word that you said in the last 5 minutes. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, sure. Then we could just put them all together. Yes, that's a wonderful idea, Alan. I love it.
Roger that.
Okay, very good. We'll check now and see if we're back on. Everything's showing normal here. Might be a little bit of fluctuation. Wind blowing the antenna around in the trees might be causing a little SWR issue. Sounding okay now, guys? VA3 RDC, portable Kilo 2.
Alright, you're fine now.
Okay, slight glitch, I guess. All right, thanks, Margaret. We were able to listen the full time there, so we'll look for more check-ins. This is Victor Alpha 3, Romeo Delta Charlie, portable Kilo 2, and the other check-ins for 3730 group tonight from Kring Point State Park.
Are you going to reply to Alan's suggestion?
Are we what? Sorry, Margaret?
Are you going to reply to Alan's suggestion?
And what was Alan's suggestion? Something about repeating the last 5 minutes? I can't remember what we said 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, he wanted the last half of every word that you said for the last 5 minutes.
Oh my God, okay. I'd say that's going to be tough.
Oh yeah, it's
Okay, very good, Margaret. Any other check-ins? 3730 group, Victor Alpha 3, Romeo Delta Charlie. Net control, Kring Point for portable 2 this evening. This is Victor Alpha 3, Romeo Delta Charlie, portable Kilo 2. Net control, 3730 group, Kring Point State Park. Anybody else around?
We're going to get these guys to check in.
Who we got? Got a call? You can, I'm the control operator, so you can look at KK1BZE. Margaret, if you're still there, we're using you as a guinea pig tonight. We've got another fellow here, and we're going to pass you over to Paul.